Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this big yellow deployment bow to remember those deployed in the military. To make your bow, you're going to need some ribbon, and this is floral ribbon. It's the cheap satiny ribbon, but it's a little stiffer than like regular satin or a grosgrain ribbon, and it's weather resistant, so it will hold up really well. Sometimes it's hard to find the cheap floral ribbon. And I also have a pipe cleaner. And you're going to take your ribbon and you need to decide how big you want your bow. I need mine to be pretty big because I have a pretty big tree. And I'm going to fold it over once. And so that's number 1. And then I'm going to do that again so that my end is back at the beginning. So I've got 2 full loops, so that's twice. I'm going to keep doing that. That's 3 times. I think that's good. So you need to cut your ribbon now. You want to make sure that it cuts so that it's overlapping the part where you started. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold this in half. Where I've folded it in half, I'm going to cut a notch on either side, like so. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner now, and I'm going to stick this in here. I'm going to twist very tightly. Then I'm going to bring my loops out, one up, next one down, next one up, next one down. Your ends, if they're long enough for yours, you can go ahead and cut your tails here in a point. Or if you think your tails aren't quite long enough, you can take another piece of ribbon about twice as long as what you want your tails to be, plus a little bit more. You're going to take this and you're going to tie it around the middle of your bow, and it will help give it a little bit of a finished edge. As you can see there. And you can go ahead and cut off short the old tails that I'm not using. And you still have this pipe cleaner back here so that you can attach it to the ribbon that you're going to put around your tree. And I could probably fiddle with this all day until I got it just perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add. Now I made just this little bow the same way. It was 6 loops. And then I just hot glued the center around it. And then I hot glued an army man onto it. And I have some pipe cleaner here that I could use to go around it, but I think it's going to be a little difficult to do. Let me see if I can get that through there. And I can pipe cleaner him on. Just like that. If you don't want to pipe cleaner him on, you can always hot glue him on. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please like this video, comment if you have a loved one serving in the military, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day crafting away.